Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here with Total Shape, and if you're thinking of using Marek Health for their TRT therapy, you gotta watch this video, my friends, because I tested out their entire service. In fact, I have their website pulled up because I have to read this quote from their site. I'm gonna explain to you why I would avoid using them. And I'm also, luckily, I did come across an online clinic that's phenomenal. I'm gonna recommend that to you in this video. They're called Fountain TRT. They are incredible guys. I've been using them for a while. The results have been awesome. Their customer service is great. And they are a stark contrast to Marek Health. There's a link down below I actually was able to use to sign up with them and get a good deal. Let me tell you what my issue is with them first, then I'll read the quote. So Marek Health is kind of like this. They don't do subscriptions and they really flaunt that. Like, we're not gonna tie you into an obligation. We're gonna, optimize your health and, kind of like give you your own customized omakase, chef special of different, medications that are gonna help you become healthier and achieve your best testosterone, all this stuff, right? Okay, here's why this is nonsense. What they're really saying is they're gonna recommend all these expensive different packages and medications to you that probably won't even work for you. And when they don't work, okay, they're gonna say, oh, it's because we're testing and optimizing it. The trial and error thing, just listen to this quote and you'll see exactly what I mean. It says, what with Marek you're getting? Flexibility. The fact of the matter is optimization can't be achieved by following one treatment plan. It's a continual process of testing and adjusting to see what sticks, which is why we don't lock you into any year-long commitments or monthly subscriptions. Translation, we don't really know what works. We're just gonna throw, is that really how you're treating my health? We're gonna throw stuff at the wall and see what sticks? That's what an entrepreneur does with business ideas, not a doctor or a medical provider with a human being, you know what I'm saying? So, and you'll really see that when you try to sign up, the people that are actually like the providers and talking to you, they really aren't equipped to answer deep questions. They're only equipped to sell you, okay? So, and you're gonna feel like you're in a flea market getting sold different things you don't need. That being said, guys, that's why I'd avoid using them. I ended up coming across Fountain TRT because it was recommended by a friend. At this point, I had already kind of given up on trying to find a good clinic, but Fountain TRT really didn't let me down. The one thing I like about them more than anything else is that they're transparent and they're ethical. They weren't trying to sell me on anything. They kind of even told me like, look, you're on the high end of low testosterone and you're on the younger side of our typical clientele. You may not need this just yet. Maybe you'd want to make some lifestyle changes and then come back to us later. That screams ethics. That screams integrity. That screams you're treating me like a human being, not like a potential piggyback. So that being said, it's a flat fee. They're totally transparent. It's on the middle end of what's offered. It's not on the low end or the high end price-wise. It's on the middle end, but here's the thing. It's all inclusive. You're getting like great access to your online provider. You're getting great access to clinicians with any questions you have, and everything's transparent. The customer service is incredible. Shipping speed was great. Everything comes in discrete packaging, in case you don't want your neighbors knowing what you're getting, all that good stuff. And again, flat fee every month, all inclusive. I cannot tell you how much like Fountain TRT has impressed me. Again, that link down below is yours for the using if you want to save some money on your starting package, and I'll see you in the next video.